Hello students, today I am going to explain you nitrogen cycle. Student, first of all we will learn about the definition of nitrogen cycle by which we can understand the meaning of it. So, the nitrogen cycle can be defined as one of the biogeochemical cycles that converts the unusable inert nitrogen existing in the atmosphere into a more usable form of nitrogen for living organisms. Now, what is nitrogen cycle? The nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process in which nitrogen in various forms is circulated from the nitrogen of the living organism and later back to the atmosphere. Living organisms require nitrogen for the synthesis of nucleic acid and proteins. Means to say, it contributes an important role to build protein which is very important for our body as it repair our body tissues and cells. The atmosphere contains almost 78% of the nitrogen present in an inert form N2. This nitrogen cannot be used by living organisms unless it is converted to ammonia, nitrates and other usable compounds of nitrogen. And protein is the one of them. And we all know to how much protein is important for our health. So students, protein is also made up from nitrogen. The nitrogen cycle is a cyclic process where the nitrogen travels from inorganic form in the atmosphere and to the organic way in the living organism. Students, keep in your mind, it is in inorganic form in atmosphere and organic form in between of organism. The nitrogen cycles contain several steps such as nitrogen fixation, denitrification, nitrification, ammonification. So these are the important steps of nitrogen cycle which we will learn through our animated video that is here. This cycle is essential in maintaining a proper biological balance and is present in both marine and terrestrial ecosystem. Now students, see some important points about the nitrogen cycles, and that is chlorophyll is an essential pigment for the process of photosynthesis. We all know about it. The nitrogen cycles helps the plants to manufacture chlorophyll from the compound of nitrogen. Students, before that you know it? No. So, next point number 2, it is essential for the survival of plants as plants need nitrates to survive and grow. Not only the plants, human beings as well. During the process of formation of ammonia, the dead and decayed organic matter is decomposed by bacteria. This process helps the environment to be cleaned up from the organic matter and also provides essential nutrients required by the soil. Nitrogen compounds enrich the soil and make it fertile and suitable for growing plants. Students, keep in your mind, nitrogen is very important for the crop cultivation in agriculture also. Nitrogen is a necessary element in the cells and tissues of living organisms. It forms proteins and nucleic acid which form the essential elements of life. Without nitrogen compounds, life could not be exist, and that is very true. So not only the oxygen, nitrogen is very important for the survival of human being, and that we will learn all these steps and details through our animations. So that is here. Please watch it till the end. Nitrogen cycle. Living organisms require nitrogen for the synthesis of proteins and nucleic acid. Atmosphere contains about 78% of nitrogen, but it cannot be utilized by living organisms unless fixed in the form of ammonia, amino acids or nitrates. The cyclic process by which nitrogen element is circulated continuously through the living and non-living compounds of biosphere is called nitrogen cycle in nature. Atmosphere and water bodies contain nitrogen. Plants cannot absorb nitrogen as such but absorb as ammonia and nitrates. Blue-green algae and certain bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. There are three ways of nitrogen fixation. They are: number 1, atmospheric nitrogen fixation; number 2, biological nitrogen fixation; and number 3, industrial nitrogen fixation. So first of all, atmosphere nitrogen fixation. During lighting, due to high temperature, the atmospheric nitrogen reacts with oxygen and form nitrous oxide, nitric oxide and nitrogen peroxide. These compounds dissolve in rainwater to form dilute nitric acids. When it reaches the earth's surface, they react with alkalis and form nitrates. Plants easily absorb nitrates. Now, biological fixation. Certain bacteria and blue-green algae can fix atmospheric nitrogen directly into nitrates. Nitrogen fixing bacteria are of two types. Number 1, blue-green algae. Number 2, rhizobium bacteria, and number 3, root of leguminous plants. Next, industrial nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen combines with hydrogen under high pressure and high temperature to yield ammonia. Haber's process, which is turn oxidized to form nitrates as ammonium salts. Step involves in process of nitrogen cycles are: atmospheric nitrogen is fixed and assimilated. Number 2, ammonification. Number 3, nitrification. Number 4, denitrifications. So first of all, ammonification. The process of conversion of complex organic compounds into ammonia is called ammonifications. The dead remains of plants and animal nitrogenous excretion of animals is converted into ammonia, carbon oxide or water by the action of putrefying bacteria like actinomyces present in the soil and fungi. Next, nitrification. Conversion of ammonia into nitrates and nitrites is brought about by the nitrifying bacteria. Steps involved are: ammonia is oxidized to nitrites by Nitrosomonas bacteria. Number 2, Nitrobacter oxidize nitrites to nitrates. Next, denitrification. Bacteria, Pseudomonas and Bacillus denitrificans converts nitrate to free nitrogen. This process is called denitrification. These bacteria are active only in water-logged conditions, so rate of denitrification is less than that of nitrification. Nitrogen enters into the biotic components through plants. Plants absorb nitrates from the soil. Plants synthesize various organic compounds like proteins, amino acids, which pass on to consumers by food chain. Dead plants and animals are decomposed and ammonia is released. Ammonia thus formed is and gone to a soil. Plants absorb a part of it and rest is liberated as free nitrogen by nitrifying bacteria. Living organisms require nitrogen for the synthesis of protein and nucleic acid. Atmosphere contains about 78% of nitrogen, but it cannot be utilized by living organisms unless fixed in the form of ammonia, amino acid or nitrates.